you're posting on YouTube and not getting views, it's not your fault. The algorithm isn't against you. You just need a better strategy to grow fast. And today, I'm giving you exactly that. Hey, I'm Katie, an ex-corporate professional who got laid off twice from 2 different companies. Instead of running back to the 9-to-5 grind, I built a passive income stream with digital and affiliate marketing. Now, I help corporate professionals and virtual assistants make $1,000 daily profits and recurring passive income so they can achieve time, location, and financial freedom without quitting their jobs just yet. And today, I'm showing you how to grow on YouTube and dominate keywords so you can build an audience, get more views, and turn your YouTube into a real income stream. Stick with me because I also have exclusive bonus offers at the end that can be taken down anytime. Let's go! Step 1. Find profitable keywords. The number 1 mistake most YouTubers make, they create videos with no demand, which means no views. But today, we fix that. Analogy. Imagine YouTube is a marketplace. Some keywords are like a crowded mall, hard to compete in. Others are like a hidden gold mine, less competition but huge potential. Here's how to find those keywords. Go to YouTube's search bar and type a topic. Let autocomplete show you what people are already searching for. Use vidIQ or TubeBuddy to check search volume versus competition. Look at top-ranking videos and see what's working. Use Google Trends to find trending topics. Pro tip: at the end of this video, I'll give you 10 powerful title formulas to create videos people can't resist clicking. Step 2. Craft click-worthy titles and thumbnails. A great video with a bad title and thumbnail equals dead video. Here's the fix. Use power words like best, secrets, mistakes, fast. Keep it short, clear, curiosity-driven. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Big text, contrast, clean design. Avoid clickbait. Deliver what you promise. Analogy. Think of your title and thumbnail like a movie poster. It has to hook people instantly. Step 3. SEO and optimization. Want YouTube to push your video to more people? Then make it easy for the algorithm to understand what your video is about. Add your target keyword in title at the beginning, description, 2 to 3 times naturally, tags, related long tail keywords, video file name before uploading. Here's an example. Add timestamps or chapters to boost watch time and engagement. Pin a top comment with a call to action and related video link. Pro tip: adding closed captions helps your video rank for more search terms. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We share strategies on digital and affiliate marketing every week to help you grow and monetize online. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss out. Step 4. Structure for maximum watch time. YouTube's algorithm loves videos that keep people watching. So here's how to structure your content for maximum retention. Hook. It grabs attention fast. Intro. Tell them what they'll learn. Content. Deliver massive value. Mid-roll CTA. Ask them to like, subscribe, and comment mid-video. Ending CTA. Send them to another video to keep them on your channel. Analogy. Think of your video like a Netflix series. Keep them hooked so they binge watch your content. Step 5. Share and promote your videos. Getting views is not just about the algorithm. You need to actively promote your content. Post teasers on Instagram, TikTok, and X. Share on Facebook, Reddit, and Quora, where your audience is. Embed videos in blog posts for extra SEO. Send email blasts to your subscribers when you upload. Analogy. Your video is like an event. The more places you promote it, the bigger the crowd. Step 6. Track and improve your performance. Want to grow even faster? You need to track your results and keep improving. Track click-through rate or CTR. If low, test new thumbnails and titles. Check audience retention. Identify drop-off points and improve pacing. Look at traffic sources. Double down on what's bringing in views. Reshare and repurpose content that performs well. Analogy. Think of this like tuning a high-performance car. Small tweaks lead to massive results. Here are the 10 best YouTube title formulas for more clicks. Just as promised, you can screenshot this or check the training document, link in the description for easy reference. Use these formulas to create videos that dominate YouTube search. Now you have everything you need to grow on YouTube, get more views, and start dominating search. But if you want to skyrocket your growth even faster, I have something even better for you. Inside the POP program, we have exclusive YouTube Masterclasses that show you how to rank higher in search and get consistent views, monetize your channel and turn YouTube into a real income stream, leverage automation to grow faster without burnout. Join the POP program today and get access to proven YouTube growth strategies and ranking techniques, step-by-step video marketing training, private coaching and mentorship from 7-figure digital marketers, a full system to create passive income alongside YouTube success, lifetime mentorship from 7-figure digital and affiliate marketers, a $997 per year value, now lifetime. 4 times live coaching calls per week plus podcast sessions, 24/7 support inside our private community, weekly personal guidance, support, and coaching to overcome challenges, full access to POP resources, the courses, training, modules, content vault, and more, master resale rights. Keep 100% of the profits when you recommend the program to others. POP is priced at $1,000, but with these bonuses, you're getting way more than $1,000 in value already. And with just one sale of POP when you recommend our program, you get back your investment right away. Ready to take your YouTube success to the next level? Click the link in the description below to learn more and start growing your YouTube channel with expert guidance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video on digital marketing, passive income, and online business strategies. Want to dive deeper? Watch more videos like this in our playlist, The Passive Income Playbook, for more strategies on building a profitable online business. Let's build your freedom lifestyle together, one step at a time.